Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Toyota Hilux SR dual cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5773. The shape runs from the 10th month 2008 through to the 6th month 2011. It has 1 kd, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-drive transmission. 1 kd, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left front 15-inch Sunraysia mag with an average tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 8 small dents, left rear door has 1 large dent, left rear 15-inch Sunraysia steel rim with an average tyre, aftermarket alloy tray from Tip Top Equipment. Does have some damage to the tailboard. Right rear 15-inch Sunraysia steel mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door has 3 small dents, right power door mirror, right guard, no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type centre console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, aftermarket Kenwood touchscreen media player, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke leather vinyl steering wheel with audio buttons.